Hello everyone, welcome to another edition of Know Your Bird from Kuwait Birders Club. It's a nice shimmering morning in Kuwait. Looks like 6:30 am, but in fact it's 4:30 early morning. Because of longer days in the summer, sun rises pretty early. All of you have heard about eagles and owls, but how many of you know about an owl species called eagle owl? So today, myself, Kichu Aravind, and Irvin Sebastian, we are proceeding to Kuwait ridges to photograph and record the mighty owl of Arabian desert, the Pharaoh eagle owl. So it's our pleasure to take you all to this expedition and share our knowledge about this beautiful bird.
Dear friends, we are here at Jalal Zoo. Jalal Zoo, a location in Kuwait with ridges facing the sea. This is the prime breeding location for Pharaoh eagle owls and little owls in Kuwait. These cliffs are the home to these wonderful owls. And you can see some rare other species of birds like the black-crowned wheatears. They are migrant species, but now for the past 1 or 2 years the pair is seen breeding here, and so it's a wonderful location to visit for these magnificent Arabian owls. Friends, we can see the Pharaoh eagle owl and the chick. They are sitting right here, right in front of us in this cliff. I will just send you a close-up video right now.
Pharaoh eagle owl, Bubo ascalaphus, is a native owl to the Arabian Peninsula. It is a nocturnal bird that nests on cliffs. It has orange-yellow eyes, short ear tufts, and cat-like face patterns. The Pharaoh eagle owl has a mottled plumage. The head and upper parts are tawny and densely marked with black and creamy white streak and blotches, while the underparts are pale creamy white with black streak on the upper breast and fine reddish-brown vermiculation on the lower breast and belly. Because of its perfectly nature-blended and camouflaged plumage, it becomes very difficult to locate the bird. And once located, we always have to keep an eye. Pharaoh eagle owl is smaller and paler than Eurasian eagle owl, with a more clear facial pattern and paler yellow eyes. Their song and call is higher pitched and it travels a long distance during the night. They can live in many different types of habitat as long as there is a good food supply close by. It has an extremely large range with a stable population, and that's why they are not considered to be an endangered animal. Though they are not facing any major threats, however, they are sometimes exposed to persecution, human disturbance, loss of habitat, and poisons from pesticides. The Pharaoh eagle owl, although nocturnal, they are often seen during the day sitting at the entrance to their nest. It emerges at the dusk to hunt over an area about 5 km square. It will feed on any small creatures it can find, including mammals, birds, snakes, lizards, beetles, and scorpions. It perched on a vantage point and watches and listens so as to detect the moving prey before diving down on its victim. They are silent hunters. Due to their specialized wing feather, their flight doesn't make any sound even if they are closer to their prey. Pharaoh eagle owl is monogamous and the pair forms a lifelong relationship. Breeding takes place in late winter and the nest is built among the rocks. 2 eggs are normally laid and incubated by the female for about 31 days. The chicks are fed by both the parents and they leave the nest in around 20 to 35 days, but remain dependent on their parents for several more months. Like little owl, Pharaoh eagle owl is one of the resident owl in Kuwait, and it is called as eagle of the night. Jalal Zoo also has little owl, which is another resident owl in Kuwait and is active day and night. So many birders and bird enthusiasts often comes to Jalal Zoo to record and photograph these 2 owls. Hope you all have enjoyed this awareness video. See you all with another edition soon. Thank you for watching and be safe.